Hey loves, welcome back. Let me show you how I did this quick weave with A-Shine hair. First and foremost, I got 3 bundles, 20, 22, 24, and then I got an 18-inch closure. I braided down my hair. It was a struggle because, baby, this hair thick, but you know, all it takes is a little bit of music to get the vibe right in order for you to complete your hair. That's all that it takes. I promise you that. So from there, braiding it down, you can see how I have the foundation, and my daughter, she's all in the camera, and of course, she has to do the most, but I'll just let her be great because that's just what we do. Get it, baby? So now I'm not a bald cap queen. This stuff is really hard to me. Like the way that y'all do y'all bald caps, I feel like y'all deserve rewards for that because it's really not that easy. But I did go ahead and put down that cap, and then I put down the black cap because I really need to protect my hair. I don't want no glue on my hair. I'm 100% natural, and I like it that way. You know, the patches don't work for me. So I got to make sure I have all the protection possible on my hair. So, of course, I'm going to use that Wonder Weave. I'm going to lay it down. I let this dry on my head for about a good hour. I do not have a head dryer. I need one. I need a hooded dryer in my life. So if you love me, check my P.O. box. Send me a hooded dryer because that's what real love looks like. Then I go ahead and cut out the spot that I'm using for the closure. Most people like to draw a white line around it, but I was rushing and I really just didn't want to take the time to draw a white line. So I just guessed. I did guess. But this is how it came out. So I left the nude color. Here's what the bundles look like. How cute. Look at the bounce. Look at the bounce. Yes, you see it. This is the closure. I did spray a little lace tint on my closure just so that it would be more of my skin color. Off camera, I laid down the closure because that's kind of hard to do sometimes. So I sewed down the closure. I laid it down. Now, this is me just adding those tracks with some glue. Y'all, I haven't done a quick weave in forever, and I realize now why people do them because they're so quick and easy. It's a convenient hairstyle. I do go to the gym, though, and so working out with a quick weave, this style literally lasted me about a week because it took a good sweat session at CrossFit, and it was time. It was time, you know, but this is what it looked cute. This is what it looked like. So I went ahead and cut a little hair for like a swoop because I do like the side part look on me. This is what I do. You don't have to do this. That's completely up to you. The closure is perfect as the way that it is. But if you want to do a side swoop, this is how I did it. This is how I did it. Now, the hair did need a little bit of layering, and then it also needed some water to give it its definition. I think this turned out really cute. Off camera, y'all, I ended up cutting this into like a shoulder length bob. And I was feeling it. I was feeling myself because the curls do what the curls need to do. And with that shoulder length bob, I personally think it ate for the week I had it in. Well, let me know what you think in the comments. If you're interested in this hair, I will link the link for this hair. But this is the final look, y'all. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Bye.